guys? Yeah, this is Mr. Rivals. I'm about to restore my ps3. Just stop saying I hate. Wait, Mr. Rivals, Mr. Rivals. I'm gonna go to the start there. Like, I have no hacks or nothing. I have nothing, but I'm still gonna restore my ps3. So I'm gonna restore it. Look, signed out. Look, listen. Restoring settings. I'm restoring my ps3. See? Just restore my PS3. I don't hack no nothing. So that y'all can stop saying that. I don't know why. Fucking very trash, garbage ass trying to say I got aim assist. I didn't even fucking hack. Look. See? Restore my PS3. You know. So I don't hack Mr. Rival, you know. I'm just a fucking tank. And watch him still gonna drop the D. Like, I have no passion or nothing. I don't know why people keep saying it. Like, stop saying that. I don't hack. Fuck, man. See? Hold on. I got connected, whatever this shit called. Got connected to the controller. Connected to the controller. Alright. Connected to the controller. Alright. Setting up my stuff. Hold on. 2012. What today is the 7th? What time it is? 6:38. Setting up my stuff. Okay. Look, I just restored my PS3, right? So none of y'all, hold on. None of y'all can't say I hacked. Look, none of y'all can't say I hacked. Restore my PS3. I just restored my PS3. None of y'all fucking pussies could say I hacked. Cause I don't fucking hack. I'm just a fucking can, okay? Okay, alright, bye. Mr. Rivals out.